Did you know that 82% of businesses fail because of poor cash management? Hi, I'm Max Blue, and I want to talk to you today about why PayPal is vital in cash management, modern business transactions, and business globalization. Before we dive into ways to utilize PayPal effectively, you must first understand what PayPal is. So PayPal is an e-commerce company that facilitates payments between parties both consumer-based and commercially through online funds transferred. As you can see in this flowchart display, PayPal streamlines the payment process by utilizing proprietary servers, instant payment notifications, or known as IPNs, and organization of administrative processes. You can currently utilize PayPal on a mobile device or computer, and PayPal customers can connect a debit or credit card in order to add funds to their account. So why should you utilize PayPal for your small business? I'll give you 3 good reasons on why you should implement it. First is the ability to easily track expenses and cash flow. Second is the discounts you can receive on expenses such as shipping. And then third is the plentiful invoicing options that will increase your efficiency and productivity in your company. So with PayPal, you have the ability to go over to your account page as shown. From there, you download monthly payments like that will display your profits, losses, and expenses. This can all be done in 15 minutes, and being able to automatically take your transaction and compile them just saves a ton of time. And as they say in business, time is money. So not only will it save you time, but they can also save you expenses that normal small businesses can accumulate through day-to-day operations such as shipping. So when you use PayPal for shipping via United States Postal Service and UPS, you are able to take advantage of commercial shipping rates. Think of how much more you could do in your small business if you could cut shipping expenses by a whopping 32%. The ability to create new electronic invoices and set up automatic invoices makes paying for goods as well as receiving payment super simple with PayPal invoicing. Electronic invoices also save time, cost less to produce, and keeps records tight for future statements. This will help retain customers and increase your revenue overall. But not only can PayPal help you save time and money, but also can aid in reaching new markets. Did you know that PayPal is in over 200 plus markets worldwide and can support 100 types of currency? This increased exposure helps generate more revenue for small businesses without adding marketing costs. Not only are more companies seeing the benefits, but also the end user. So some PayPal facts. 21 million merchants use PayPal. 260 million consumers currently have a PayPal account at this very moment in time. And then the total PayPal payment transaction in 2018 alone was $9.9 billion. And the total PayPal revenue in 2018 was $15.5 billion. Not only does PayPal process a lot of payments, but they yield a good amount of revenue. Since its inception, PayPal's revenue and payment processes have been going up exponentially. This increase is due to many small businesses seeing the value and organization that PayPal brings to the table. So I've talked about all the benefits of PayPal, but I thought it would be a good idea to delve deeper into everything that PayPal has to offer for your small business through a little video. So check this out. So now that you have a good idea on the tremendous benefits that PayPal brings to the table for your small business, I ask, what are you waiting for? Click the link given to sign up for a business account through PayPal to start yielding more profit, more customers, and more efficiency within your small business. Thank you.